Good morning everyone. You will be shocked to know that 1214 accidents occur daily in India, which causes 377 casualties every day. To prevent these casualties, our team has come up with a project Distance Matters. In this project, we will make cars which will contain IR sensors and Arduino board which will help keep two cars at a safe distance. If a car comes closer to another car, the sensors will automatically notify the driver to go a little bit further if possible or be alert while driving. In this way, we will make safe driving possible in India. Thank you.
Country of almost 1.5 crore people produces a lot of waste, which has to be managed. So, good morning to one and all present out here. Today, me and my teammates are here to explain one of the most critical and crucial topics of India, waste management, which in future might provide many job opportunities to the jobless youth.
Starting with open dumping, whenever you visit your neighborhood, you find many waste lying here and there, which means false away. It can be considered for a day or two, but every day the waste getting accumulated will lead to open dumping, many unwanted diseases, and decrease in soil fertility. So, to avoid such scenarios, the recycling of the both of biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste can be introduced. Biodegradable waste can be converted into manures, whereas non-biodegradable waste can be used for the production of energy without creating pollutions.
The metallic rods, lasting only for few years, will last longer when made out of plastic, which is more durable, and this way plastics can be reused.
Plastic bricks. The waste from plastic can be molded into bricks, which will make the foundation of many shelters, providing employment at same rate. Since it will be cheaper than regular bricks, it will be affordable by people below poverty line.
Thank you.
Biomedical waste has become a worldwide humanitarian topic today. A very good morning to one and all present out here. The topic for our project is Biomedical Device for Management of Biomedical Waste. Hazards of poor management of biomedical waste have aroused the concern world over, especially in the light of its far-reaching effects on human health and the environment.
Problem created due to biomedical waste. The landfill method and deep burial method of biomedical waste releases greenhouse gases, causes groundwater contamination, the spread of infectious diseases, and unavailable of land.
Classification of biomedical waste. General waste, pathological waste, radioactive waste, chemical waste, infectious to potentially infectious waste, SARS, pharmaceutical waste, and pressurized containers. Different colors are allotted to the bins with respect to the waste they contain. Yellow bins for post-operative body parts, placenta, plaster of Paris, cotton waste, etc. Red bins for gloves, IV sets, dialysis kits, syringes without needles. Black bins for general waste. Blue bins for glass metals. White bins for syringes with fixed needles, surgical bodies, scalpels.
Biomedical waste is disposed of by the process of incineration. It is a process of burning hazardous materials at temperature high enough to destroy contaminants. It is conducted in an incinerator, which is a type of furnace designed for burning hazardous materials in a combustion chamber. Therefore, our group is going to design a model of an incinerator. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present here, honorable teachers, students, and all my dear friends. One of the major problems of our daily life is burning of fuels in vehicles more and more, which leads to the gradual increase of global warming. So our team has decided to come forward and make a plan based on electric vehicles.
So input of smart technology in modern world highlights the scientific and creative thinking of this new generation. It is convenient to use electric vehicles, which is a part of our smart technology, reduces the rate of global warming and enhances the quality of our life.
Uses of battery and solar cells in electric vehicles is more affordable and pollution-free as compared to fuel-consuming vehicles.
So, to construct electric vehicles, we require a high-power motor and rechargeable batteries, which will act as a main part of our model.
So, we would like to conclude that the use of electric vehicles must be promoted, and the Indian government should come forward to help us along this area.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning everyone. As we know, India is facing lots of problems regarding waste disposal. So our team is here with some major problem and their solution.
Coming on to the topic, what is waste disposal? It is the process of getting rid of destroyed or damaged domestic agricultural and unwanted products or substances. Waste disposal involves collecting, processing and recycling of depositing waste materials. Here are some common waste disposal problems. First is the landfill pollution. There is a lack of proper on-site waste management in most landfills. This liquid is highly toxic and can pollute land, groundwater and waterways. Second comes the flawed regulations and laws. Nowadays, waste disposal management has become a profit-making venture. Saver systems, incinerators and landfills are managed by large enterprises in the waste disposal businesses. The corporation goal is to make profit regardless of the waste reduction requirements. Third is the relying on old technologies. Waste disposal management facilities rely on quick, inefficient, outdated technologies instead of developing effective recycling and waste reduction programs. Most states and countries are reluctant regarding newer advanced technologies and can reduce the volume of waste.
Here are some solutions for waste disposal. Compost. It is an easy and effective way to reduce your waste. It will turn your food crop into soil. Composting can also reduce methane emissions from landfills and lower your carbon footprint. Recycle. Here, all the recycling wastages are separated and sent to the recycling center where it will be recycled. You can contact our local municipality with various questions or suggestions for improving waste disposal in our area. Here we can see that from each and every houses or the individual houses, the waste is collected in the waste collector, and the waste collector is divided into two parts: degradable and the non-degradable. And in degradable, the degradable waste are
Good morning everyone. The topic I would like to speak on is clean and potable drinking water. In today's generation, we face a lot of problems to get clean drinking water. People consider unemployment, overpopulation as the major problem, but not getting clean water is also a worldwide problem that should be focused on. On an average of 10 to 20 people fall sick daily due to the consumption of polluted water.
The problems faced to get clean drinking water are poor management of waste, improper drainage system, dumping of waste into water bodies. Drinking water which is unfit for our health can lead to many diseases such as diarrhea, flu, common cold, etc. Some solutions by which we can get clean drinking water are, instead of dumping the wastes directly into the water bodies, they must be recycled. Another way is to filter or boil the water before consumption, which will remove all the impurities. For this, a model of water purifier can be made which will remove all the impurities from the water and make it fit for drinking. I would also request everyone to stop littering the water bodies so that each and every people of our country get clean drinking water. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. We all read books, whether it be storybook, academic book or any self-help book. But after we read it, where does it end up? Few end up in a collection, but most of them end up in a corner of a room for the natural elements to help it burn. Is it worth it? Does the book loses its knowledge after we read it? No, absolutely not. So, me and my team have planned to create a platform, a website, which will provide a platform for people to post their old books for a person who might actually need it, to either buy it, lend it, or even if you want, you can just give it to it. We look forward to it, and it will not just help the needy person to acquire knowledge, but also massively help to reduce